Interested in providing a secure digital workspace to meet the demands of a modern and distributed workforce but don't know where to start? Workspace ONE Unified Endpoint Management is a single solution for modern, over-the-air management of desktops, mobile, rugged, wearables, and IoT. Reduce costs, boost productivity, and deliver great employee experience with an intelligent-driven, cloud-first UEM. I'm Francisco Martinez with VMware, here to introduce a new lab, Workspace ONE UEM, getting started with digital workspace. Learn the core concepts of Workspace ONE UEM and the fundamentals of enrolling and managing iOS, macOS, Windows 10, and Android devices to distribute apps, policies, restrictions, and powerful workflows. Explore the entire Anywhere Workspace solution, including insightful reports and automation with Workspace ONE Intelligence, and how to provide a secure access with a unified access gateway. There are 8 modules in this lab, starting with an introduction to the Freestyle Orchestrator, which enables Workspace ONE UEM administrators to create complex workflows. Learn the fundamental capabilities of Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub app and how it simplifies enrollment for Workspace ONE UEM. Explore the Workspace ONE Intelligent Console to view how dashboards, reports can provide deeper insights and customized inspection for your deployments at a glance. Finally, use Workspace ONE Tunnel and Secure Access Surface Edge to enable secure access for mobile workers and devices. The modules are independent of each other, so you can start at the beginning of any module and proceed from there. Module 7 is all about automation, dashboards, and reporting. Deep insights empower IT admins to better plan and optimize their app and policy deployments based on network performance, resource entitlement, and deployment risks. And with the ability to automate processes, IT admins can proactively increase their level of security hygiene and meet compliance requirements, while improving user experience. With the new rule engine at the heart of Workspace ONE Intelligence, IT admins can automate processes across their environments by defining rules that take action based off a rich set of parameters. This allows IT admins to create contextual workflows that take automation remediation actions based on security threats and meet compliance requirements through automated access control. And because Workspace ONE Intelligence provides extensibility with an API layer for third parties, IT admins can build workflows that leverage their unique environment to meet their needs with automation. Workspace ONE Intelligence helps IT meet compliance requirements and increase security through automated remediation. You can take this lab now by visiting hol.vmware.com and searching for Workspace ONE UEM or 2251-09. Also, visit testdrive.vmware.com and look for Digital Workspace. You will find a deeper dive walkthrough of VMware Workspace ONE UEM. Remember, all labs are free and available 24/7. There is nothing to install, and you can return and take the lab as often as you like. Use pathfinder.vmware.com to find many product experiences in one place so you can easily learn and evaluate VMware solutions for your organization. Thank you and enjoy your lab.